Welcome to the tiny house. Today we're going to be taking a look at these 2-in-1 trimmers. These are handheld, or you can use them on an extendable pole. This is a really cool addition. We have a set that's just like this, but it's handheld. The pole is incredible. Wait till you see it. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box, demo this for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. In the box, you're going to have the extender pole. You're going to have a handheld trimmer. This goes onto the extender pole. A pair of glasses, a strap, a pair of gloves, the charging cable, 2 batteries, a spare set of trimming shear blades, a blade sharpener, a little thing of oil, a wrench, and an Allen wrench on the instruction manual. Sadly, the batteries do not have a battery light indicator on them, but that's okay. I'm going to try these as a handheld first. As you can see, we have lots of things I could trim. Power button is right here. It is on. So if we hold this down, it should release. There we go. They feel strong. Let's start with this palmetto that's growing up around the... Oh, that is phenomenal. Oh. There. That's great. Let me get this weed that's growing here. Whee! Perfect. And we'll get this tree that's bent over. We should be able to get through this fairly easily. Look at that. Took 2 swipes. Get this other palmetto while we're over here, because that is phenomenal. Maybe we'll grab a couple more palmettos while we're over here. Ow. One little cut, and it takes the whole plant down. That is amazing. These are the bane of my existence because they will not go away. They're everywhere. And they don't belong here. That big mama needs to go too. And there's a lot that needs to go back there. Made quick work of that one. To use the extension rod, you're going to put the handheld device on the top where these buttons are, because this has an adjustable head, so you can angle it if you need to. It also extends. You just pull these out to extend the pole even further. And then you put the battery on this side. You have to turn the machine on again. And there is a safety button you have to hold down in order to get it to work. Otherwise, the trigger will not pull. Let's trim something off of this tree that I wouldn't be able to reach without an extender pole. That branch right there. There we go. I don't know if you saw that or not, but there's the tree branch. You can use both triggers simultaneously when you have this on the extender pole. If you are looking for a pair of trimmers that will cut through larger branches with ease and includes an extender, I think this is a really great option. I've used several of these tools, and this one is impressive. Just to put it in perspective for you, how long of a reach that is, I am about this tall. So You have a whole lot of reach. And I'm really impressed by the reach, by the strength, by the sharpness of the blades. And I love the fact that it comes with 2 batteries. If this works like the other ones I've tried to close the blades, you just hold down the trigger. Nope. Yeah, you hold down the trigger until there is a second long beep and then the blades are locked. This has a screen that shows the battery percentage and a counter as to how many times you actually have used it or snipped, how many snips you've made since you last turned it on. That is so cool. The counter resets every single time it goes off, and it does have an auto off if you don't use it for an extended period of time.